Being a content creator in 2026 is a full-time job nobody pays you for. Posting every day, staying relevant, keeping up with trends, that's what they tell you to grow your account. But nobody talks about what it actually costs. You're expected to look like a full production house with studio quality photos, cinematic reels, new locations every week, while running everything completely alone. You waste endless hours on broken tools and failed renders, only to get plastic skin, dead eyes, and obviously fake AI output. At some point, you just want to quit. Then, I found something that changed everything. No complex setup, no GPU, a much simpler workflow, just effortless, professional-grade results. Imagine switching locations and outfits whenever you want. Fresh look, same face, every single time. Realistic photos and short videos without the usual complex setup. This is Foxy AI. And the best part is, I created this video using Foxy. So, stop surviving. Start creating like you mean it. Start creating your legacy with Foxy AI. Check the link in description.